Imagine a fuel that is absolutely everywhere. It's in the water we drink, the stars in the night sky, and it makes up a staggering 75% of the known universe. Now, imagine that when you use it to power a vehicle, the only exhaust it leaves behind is pure, drinkable water. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real. It's hydrogen. For decades, we've heard the same promise. Hydrogen is the fuel of the future. But if it's so perfect, why aren't we all driving hydrogen cars right now? Today, on Simple Things Surprising Histories, we are diving into the fascinating story of hydrogen and why, after decades of waiting, it might finally be the key to saving our planet. To understand hydrogen's magic, we have to look at what it actually is. Hydrogen is the lightest, simplest element in existence, but don't let its size fool you. It packs an incredible punch. By weight, hydrogen holds nearly 3 times as much energy as gasoline. Historically, we've used that incredible power to leave the Earth. When NASA launched the space shuttle, those massive orange external tanks, they were filled with supercooled liquid hydrogen. But how does it work down here on Earth? Instead of burning it in a fiery explosion like a rocket, we run it through a device called a fuel cell. Inside a fuel cell, hydrogen mixes with oxygen from the air. This quiet chemical reaction creates an electrical current that can power a motor. And the only byproduct of this reaction, H2O, water. No carbon dioxide, no smog, just pure water. So if it produces zero pollution, and it's the most abundant element in the universe, what's the catch? Well, here is the surprising history. Hydrogen likes to hold hands. On Earth, it almost never exists entirely by itself. It's always locked up with other elements, like with oxygen to make water, or with carbon to make fossil fuels. To get pure hydrogen, we have to aggressively force it apart from its friends, and that takes a massive amount of energy. Right now, most of the world's hydrogen is extracted from natural gas. It's a dirty process that releases a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Scientists call this gray hydrogen. But the ultimate dream, the fuel of the future, is called green hydrogen. This is where we use 100% renewable energy, like solar or wind power, to zap plain water and split it into pure oxygen and pure hydrogen. It's entirely clean, from the moment it's made to the moment it's used. Now, you might be wondering, why bother? Don't we already have electric cars? We do, and for everyday driving, batteries are winning. But lithium batteries have a major weakness. They are incredibly heavy. If you want to power a massive cargo ship, an airplane, or a long-haul semi-truck with batteries, those batteries would be so heavy the vehicle could barely move. This is where hydrogen steps in to save the day. Because it is so light and energy-dense, hydrogen is the ultimate heavy-duty fuel. It can burn hot enough to forge steel, and it can power cargo planes across oceans without the massive weight of electric batteries. Hydrogen isn't here to replace your electric car. It's here to do the heavy lifting that batteries simply can't do. The global transition won't happen overnight. Building pipelines, safe storage tanks, and massive green energy plants takes time, but the pieces are finally falling into place. Hydrogen may have been a long time coming, but its future, and ours, looks incredibly bright. If you enjoyed this journey into the simple things that shape our world, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Simple Things Surprising Histories for more untold stories. See you next time.